First, Wendy Vogel, you want to come up and be sworn in?
I'll break up into parts. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Wendy Vogel,
I, Wendy Vogel,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will faithfully perform
that I will faithfully perform
the duties of the Office of School Director
the duties of the Office of School Director
as required by law
as required by law
and will support the Constitution of the United States,
and will support the Constitution of the United States,
the Constitution of the State of Colorado,
the Constitution of the State of Colorado,
and the laws made pursuant thereto.
and the laws made pursuant thereto.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.